Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create avatar on Instagram app. So if you are new, be sure to subscribe and let's get started. First, I'm going to start by opening up my Instagram account. Then I will click the three-line up right. Then I will go to settings. Then I will click on account. Then I will click on avatar. So I will go to get started. So I'll go to create from scratch. You'll be able to create your own avatar from scratch. I'll click continue. So here I'll be able to select skin tone to get started. I'm gonna choose the skin tone. Then I click next. I'll just start from scratch. I'll add hairstyle. I'll scroll down the hairstyle that I want. Maybe I'll choose this. So I will go to hair color. I'll choose this maybe. So I'll go to face shape. I'll choose the shape. I will choose this. Then face marking, nothing. So face line, nothing. Eye shape, so eye color. Here you're gonna choose whatever you want. Maybe I'll go to this. Then eye makeup. Maybe I'll click this. Then eyebrows. Maybe I'll choose this. Eyebrow color is black. No, and I wear glasses. I will choose maybe this. I wear color. I will go to this. Oh my god. So nose, I will so nose piercing, I will choose maybe this. This mouth, I will choose this. So lip color, I'll go to oh my god, this. Then facial hair, so facial hair color, nothing. Body, outfit, I will go with maybe this. So headwear, I will go maybe with this. No, this. unmarked. Then here headwear color, no. Ear piercings, it will not show anyways. Head device, no. Then after done selecting whatever you want, you're gonna click done. Upright, you save changes if you want, then click next. Then I'm able to do it. So this is how you can create avatar on your Instagram app. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end. If you are new, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.